Hello student, today I will teach you complex number. Complex complex number. First of all, imaginary number. Imaginary number. What is a imaginary number? Imaginary number a square root of negative real number is called imaginary number. Iota equal root under minus 1. Any number of any real number, a square root of negative real number is called imaginary number. Okay. As a like root under minus 4, root under minus 5. Because root under of minus 4, root under of minus 4 equal root under minus 1 into root under 4. A square root of a square root root under 4 equal 2 and root under minus 1 equal I equal any imaginary number. Okay. I will give you one equation, then explain. Imaginary number x square plus 9 equal 0. This equation is not solved in real number because this equation discriminant is negative. Discriminant is negative. Then real number this equation is not solvable. But complex number in this equation is solvable. X square equal minus 9. This square is removed and right side. X square equal plus minus root under minus 9. X equal plus minus root 3 iota. This number is a imaginary number. Okay, this number is a imaginary number. Iota equal and second step integral power of iota. Like iota equal root under minus 1. Both side squaring, then iota square equal minus 1. Both side again multiply both side iota. Iota q equal multiply iota. Then minus iota. And again both side multiply iota. Then iota per power 4 minus iota and multiply iota. Iota equal minus iota square. But here is iota square equal value is minus 1. Equal minus 1 into 1 equal 1. Iota per power 4 equal 1. Iota per power 4 equal 1. Then this type of iota per power again multiply iota per power 4. Multiply iota per power 4 equal iota. Iota per power again multiply iota. Iota per power iota equal minus iota, then minus 1. Iota again multiply iota. Iota per power 7 minus iota. Iota per power 8 equal iota per power 8 equal power. This type of equation iota square का value equal minus 1 iota cube का value of iota cube minus iota per power 4 1. If you cyclic order in iota, like iota per power 4 equal iota per power 8 equal iota per power 12, this type of iota per power 4 n equal 1. Like multiple of 4 power in iota equal value of 1. Then iota per power 4n equal 1. Both side multiply iota per power iota equal iota. Iota per power 4n again multiply iota. Iota again multiply iota per power 4n plus 2 equal iota square का equal minus 1. iota per power 4n plus 3 equal minus iota. Okay. This type of cyclic order, iota square, iota cube, like iota per power 4, iota per power 12, like iota per power 4 and value of iota per power 4 and equal 1, iota per power 4 and plus 1 equal iota per power 4 and plus 2 equal minus iota per power 4 and plus 3 equal minus iota. This type of value is cyclic order. Okay. Cyclic order. Notes one point in sum of sum of four four sum of 4 conjugative power of iota equal 0. Like this type of value, iota per power 4 and iota per power 4 n plus 1 equal iota per power 4 n plus 2 minus iota per 4 n plus 3 equal minus iota. Sum of 4 conjugative power of iota equal 0. This type of iota square, iota per power 5, like this value, iota per power 5 value, and iota per power 4n plus iota per power 4n plus 1 plus iota per power 4n plus 2 plus iota per power 4n plus 3 equal 0. Sum of doesn't matter. Yeah, doesn't matter. You have start any value. Then 4 conjugative power of iota equal 0. Okay. Uh, Value is 0. Some value like give me one example. Uh, One example, iota per power 96. This value of iota per power 4 multiple, uh, like iota per power 23 plus 4 equal 1. But one again example, iota per power 97. Multiple of iota per power 23 cross 4 plus 1 equal iota per power 96 into iota equal. This value is multiple of this value, sorry, this value is multiple of 4, then 1 into iota equal iota. Okay. Now let's start complex number. Complex number. Complex number. A number of the form uh, sorry, a number of the form, a number of the form a plus iota b is called complex number. A number is of the form a plus iota b is called a complex number denoted by z equal a plus iota b, where a and b are real. This number z equal a plus iota b is a complex number where a and b are real number. Okay, a and b are real number. A and b are real number. A is real part of z, b is imaginary. A is denoted by z equal a plus iota b, where a and b are real number. A is real part of z and b is imaginary part of a is real part of z and b is imaginary part of z. Like iota imaginary part is not imaginary part of is not it imaginary part is not iota. It is mean. It is mean of complex iota is it is written with, sorry, Imaginary part is not iota. It is written with complex number. Complex number is called imaginary part of complex number. Okay. हाँ. Z equal not. Z equal a plus iota b is purely Z equal a plus iota b is purely real. If imaginary part of Z equal 0, that is b equals 0. Okay. Z equal a plus iota b is purely imaginary if real of z is 0 because a equals 0. Okay. The set of real number, the set of real number is called proper the set of real number is called a proper subset of complex number. Okay. The set of a real number is a proper subset of complex number. N is a subset of, like, one more example. Sorry. 0 plus 0 iota, 0 plus 0 iota is purely real as well as purely imaginary. Only 0 is purely real as well as purely imaginary. Okay. Like z equal a plus iota is purely real if imaginary part of 0. Z equal a plus iota is purely imaginary if imaginary real part of z equal 0. The set of real number, like natural number of subset of whole number. Whole number is subset of integer. Integer is subset of rational number. Rational number subset of real number. Real number is subset of complex number. All real number is a subset of complex number. Give me one example. Example question like minus 2 iota. Here 2 iota is a complex number. 0 plus 2 iota. Because here real part of z is 0. This number is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. 5. Here is a imaginary part of z is 0. Then this number is purely real. This number is purely real. Okay. One more example. Root under x. X less than 0. Okay. X less than the number. This number is purely imaginary. Okay. Root under x. X is greater than 0. This is purely real. Okay. Purely real. Okay. Now let's start. Geometrical representation of complex number. Geometrical representation of complex number. As we have already studied Cartesian plane, There are two types, like Cartesian plane. This axis is y-axis, x-axis. There are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. This plane is real number. This plane is in real number is called Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. But here complex plane, this plane is argon plane या complex plane. This axis is real axis, real axis. This axis is imaginary axis, imaginary axis. Okay. Geometrical representation of complex number. As we have already studied in a Cartesian plane in real number, then this axis is a real x-axis and y-axis. But here is this plane is argon plane. Argon plane या complex. This plane is argon plane या complex plane. Okay. This axis is real axis. This axis is imaginary axis. This axis is real axis and this axis is imaginary axis. I will explain it here and clearly. This axis is imaginary axis. This axis is real axis. Okay, this point is origin. Okay, a purely real number, that is a purely real number a plus 0 iota is called respectively the point a comma 0 on x-axis is called real axis. Real axis. This point is here, like imaginary part of z0. Then this point like here. A point is here. Okay. Then represent in real axis. This point is because this point is purely real. Okay. Then this represent is real axis. One, a purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. 0 plus iota b. 0 plus iota b. Respectively, this point is 0 comma b on y-axis. Y-axis is called imaginary axis. Okay, this point is purely imaginary. This point is here. Okay, this point is here because a real axis. This real axis here is imaginary axis is 0 and imaginary axis here this real axis is value is 0. Okay, this point is here point a comma b. This point is a comma b. A is a real part of z and b is imaginary part of z. Okay, this point. Presentation of like example here. One point is argon plane. Here is one plane. A comma b. Okay. Now let's distance here is a and also this point. And I will discuss modulus. मॉडुलस सॉरी मॉडुलस ऑफ मॉडुलस जेड मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड का रिप्रेजेंट क्या रहता है? मॉड जेड। मॉड जेड, व्हाट इज मॉड जेड? डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम origin. This point is E. This point is O. Distance from origin. Okay. Modulus of z distance. There is no हम लोग मोड जेड को हम रियल नंबर में पढ़ते हैं, तो वहाँ क्या होता है, किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर को मोड किया जाता है, पॉजिटिव हो जाता है। बट हियर इज इन डिफरेंस, रियल मोड एंड मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड। मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड इन कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लेन, हियर इज a distance from origin, like distance from origin 3 plus 2 iota z, like z equal 1 की example. Distance from OP, like this point. Distance from OP equal root under uh, a minus 0 का स्क्वायर प्लस 0 minus b का स्क्वायर इक्वल root under a square plus b square. This point modulus of z equal root under 3 का स्क्वायर like plus 2 का स्क्वायर इक्वल root under 9 plus 4 equal root under 13. This type of example, modulus of z, here is a complex plane in modulus of z is a distance from origin. Okay. Now distance from origin. Distance from origin. Now argument या amplitude. Now let's argument या amplitude. Here argument and first of all some definition. Argument है amplitude of complex 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 number. Okay, let a sorry a comma b be a point representing a non-zero complex number z equal a plus iota b in the argon plane, like this point is origin b a comma b, this is a, this point is b. Okay, OP max angle definition 10 clear. OP max and angle theta with the positive real axis, positive real axis, then theta is called the argument or amplitude of z, return of argument of z equals theta, and tan theta equal py. Here argument या amplitude are same. Okay, let p be a point in argon plane. This plane is argon plane, pa comma b theta, pa comma b this point, and op like a and b. Op makes an angle positive x-axis, positive real axis. Then theta is called as the argument, angle axis. This theta is called as argument. Yeah, amplitude written as argument of z equal theta. Okay, then find the theta, tan theta equal b by a, like mod. Okay, a positive axis, but here is no direction, clockwise या anti-clockwise, any direction. This but only is a positive real x-axis. Okay, this angle is theta is argument या amplitude. Now let's proceed. Given one example, then clear. Like z equal minus root 3 plus iota. Okay, this number is a real part of z and this number is imaginary part of z. Like tan theta equal minus tan theta equal 1 by root 3 minus, but mod 10 plus theta equal tan inverse 1 by root 3. Tan inverse 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 equal theta equal 30 degree. Okay, theta equal 30 degree, but here theta is 30 degree. Then this point is real part is negative, real part is negative this side root 3, and imaginary part is positive this side. This angle is 30 degree. Okay, this axis is real axis, real and imaginary. Okay, then argument the positive real axis. This point is here. This degree is theta, but there is a 180. Then positive x-axis here. Then here is a theta argument positive x-axis, like 180 minus 131, 150 degree. Here minus clockwise 150 degree, anti-clockwise minus 210 डिग्री. यहाँ पर जैसे कि अगर यहाँ 30 डिग्री है, ठीक है, एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ जेट में क्या होता है कि यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि ये कोई भी मतलब देयर इज नो डायरेक्शन, बट यहाँ पर डायरेक्शन नहीं है, तो अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट चाहे तो यहाँ कोई बोलेगा घुमा के यहाँ भी आ सकता है, 2 पॉइंट घुमा के, फिर ये लाइक टू 30 दिस टाइप्स ऑफ. देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड वैल्यू ऑन देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड वैल्यू ऑन थीटा इन आर्गुमेंट ऑफ जेड. यहाँ कोई भी वैल्यू थीटा का फिक्स नहीं है. 150 minus 220, then different value argument of z, but then प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट. नाउ यहाँ पर कोई वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं है, इसके कारण अब प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ऑफ आर्गुमेंट. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ऑफ आर्गुमेंट. प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट द unique value of theta such that minus pi theta less equal pi. Here principal value of argument, here is range is fixed. The unique value of theta such that principal value of argument, the unique value of theta such that. So unique value of theta between one more, like this axis is real axis, this axis is imaginary axis, real axis, unique value of theta. This 0, anti-clockwise pi, clockwise minus. लाइक यहाँ पर ये जो ओपन माइनस पाई और क्लोज पाई दिया हुआ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है कि जो यूनिक वैल्यू होना चाहिए प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट का, बट अगर हम दो बोथ अगर इफ वी बोथ साइड आर क्लोज, देन नॉट फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ unique value of argument, like real like 2 z equal to, this value is minus 2. This value is represented here. Okay. One person is argument is pi, and one again person is minus pi. Then this value is not unique. Principal value of argument is not unique. Then इसलिए हम एक ओपन और एक क्लोज लिए हैं. ओके. Now let's general value of argument. General value of argument of z, given by 2n pi plus theta belong to z. Okay. This value is okay. Not this value is here. Now let's if z belong to first quadrant equal amplitude of z equal theta, z belong to second quadrant, amplitude of z equal pi minus theta, z belong to third quadrant, amplitude of z equal theta minus pi, z belong to fourth quadrant, z belong to fourth quadrant, amplitude of beta equal theta. Here clearly I will explain. Like one example here, z belong to first quadrant, value of x, value of real and imaginary both are positive. Then this value of real and imaginary both are positive. Then first quadrant, value of second quadrant, real part of z is negative and imaginary part of z is positive. Value of third quadrant, both are negative. Value of fourth quadrant, real part of z is positive and imaginary part of z is negative. Okay. First of all, first quadrant, one example, amplitude of z equal 2. This value is real part of z is the imaginary part of z is 0. This value is represented here, this point. Then this imaginary part of z is 0. Both are positive. This is first quadrant, and angle is here, angle is theta. And second में there is a value of z. There is a negative value. Here is a like real part of z is 0, then pi by 2. Here is pi. Here is negative imaginary number. pi by 3. This point is theta equal 0. Okay. Let's now proceed. Give me you one example. Question complex number. Let r and theta respectively be the modular and amplitude of the complex number z equal 2 minus iota 2 10 5 pi by 8, then r comma theta is equal. ठीक है. Here let r and theta is respectively modulus. We will find modulus and amplitude. First of all, find modulus. What is modulus? Modulus distance from origin. This point is 2 minus iota 2 10 5 pi by 8. Then modulus of z equal root under 2 का square plus 2 10 5 pi by 8 का square. Okay. Here is a 2 common, root under 1 plus 10 square. 1 plus 10 square 5 pi by 8 equal 2 root sec square 5 pi by 8. This value is 2 plus minus 2 sec 5 pi by 8. Okay. Here is a principal argument. Okay. हम लोग को यहाँ बोला है प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट ऑफ फाइंड करने के लिए, बट यहाँ सेक थीटा जो है ये क्या है, ये निगेटिव हो जाएगा. ये 5 पाई बाय 8 ये चला जाएगा सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में. ओके. बट मोड के अंदर जो भी वैल्यू आता है वो पॉजिटिव होता है, तो इसलिए सेकेंड सेक पाई माइनस 5 पाई बाय 8 इक्वल 2 सेक 3 पाई बाय 8. नो, लेट्स वीडियो इज लॉन्ग, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, इसलिए हम इसको यहाँ स्टॉप कर रहे हैं. ओके, थैंक यू. बाय बाय.